Welcome! In front of me I have Fitbit Versa Lite, and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the Android phone. First, we need to open the Fitbit application on the phone that is paired with our watch. Once you open the app, tap on the icon in the top left corner to open the Connected to Fitbit page, and here you should see Versa Lite on the list of devices. Tap on it. On this page, find the bin icon in the top right corner, tap on it, and tap on Remove. Watch will disappear from the Connected to Fitbit page. Now we can close the app. And now, also, it's time to check the Bluetooth settings on our phone. So, open the settings on your phone, find the Bluetooth settings or connected devices, and here you should see Versa Lite on the list of the previously connected devices. If you see it, tap on the settings icon next to it, tap on Forget, and tap on Forget Device to remove it. And once it's removed, you can close the settings, and at this point, the watch is unpaired from our phone. And that's how you unpair this watch from the Android phone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.